Hi guys, hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Mary Manal, and in this video I want to talk to you about the 7 reasons why I love Builderall. Now, the first thing you need to do is subscribe to my channel and ring that little bell so you know when I put a new video on. And go and check out the links and all of the information down on the description. There's a lot of good stuff. So let's continue. Okay guys, so here is my 7 reasons why I love Builderall. First of all, Builderall is such an easy platform. The way it works, the way you go on it, the way they show it to you, it's really, I know at first you seem to be like, oh my god, this platform is so huge, how and I'm going to use it. But once you try it and you go around, it's so easy. You know exactly where to go and to get your tutorials, your training, and all of that. The second one is it's an all-in-one platform, meaning that a lot of tools are there for you that usually you would have to buy on another platform and having multiple bills, and really it's like there's a lot of plans, but you can get a lot of tools for much cheaper than if you would go and get it in separately. The other reason is the site builder. Oh my god, I love the site builder. Now they have WordPress. They had another site builder that was pretty good, but now this one is Cheetah. It's really amazing. It's easy. It's a drag and drop. Everything is there for you. It's really amazing. Now once you start to work on the platform, on the site builder, you'll see that everything after that is going to go like a flow. Now, the other reason is the community. The community is really awesome. Every Monday morning, Eric has a meeting and is telling us everything that we need to know that is upgrading, that is changing. And that, I don't think you see that in many platforms, especially in the online world. Some platforms, they don't have the SEO talking to you and telling you what's up, what's going to change, what's going not to be there, or how to do it, and even examples of how to do it. Now that's a really big plus. The other thing is the uh, the affiliate program. The affiliate program, it's really amazing because it's a passive income. Now, everybody that hops on a Builderall account and stays on there, it means that you're making a revenue every month. Every time somebody pays their account on Builderall, you're making a percentage of it. It's really it's a tier. It's like a tier business. It's like a tier, and really, like, you gotta check it out. Now, if you don't want to try the platform, just being an affiliate, it's like $50 for the year. Now that's just amazing, but you're passing besides something really amazing, not to use the platform for your landing page, for you can build a magic funnel, and my god, there's so many things. You can start a business in so many different branches with Builderall. um, an example that how I do it, like, I am a tool freak. I love to learn tools of the internet, tools for videos, tools for all sorts of things. Since I love tools, Builderall is my tool. I try to learn, like, I've been with Builderall almost for a year now, and I'm trying to learn really a lot of tools, and I want to show them. So I started a training tutorial business where I show other tools also that is really outside of Builderall. I like free tools. Why I love Builderall is because you're paying one and you have a lot of tools. Now I like to show them, teach them, and so I started a little business out of teaching tools, teaching tools of the Builderall. And from there, I try to incite people to come on the platform of Builderall. Now, if you come on the platform of Builderall, I'm your sponsor, and it's not obligated to be responsible, but I'm responsible for you to make it happen in Builderall, meaning that It's going to be easier when you come hop on with me. I'm going to teach you the first tool that you need to know, and that's the site builder or the landing page builder. It's the same thing, because whatever you're doing, if you have a business, if you have a business, a local business, an online business, if you're an affiliate, whatever you do, you need something to show your stuff. So you need a platform where you can build a website or a landing page, and that's where Builderall comes in. So I teach you right away. I give you onboarding training, and right there you're gonna know the platform, what you need to know the most, how to begin, and then how to start your website or your landing page. Um, you can start a business in different niche in Builderall. You know, you can learn one a specific tool and then really go into it and be a specialist and teach it, just like me. I try to do it more with the site builder, but there's lots of different tools I teach also, and I'm in love with a lot of tools of Builderall. Don't get me wrong, but I like the site builder because this is the most important. You need to build something to show your stuff, to show your programs, to show what your uh, your niche is, and you need a landing page or a website. So that is the reason, the most 7 reason why I love Builderall. Now, if you want to try Builderall, I have a 7-day free trial right down below here on the description, and you can try it. You'll have a 7-day free trial. I'm gonna send you to a page where you can start right away to get on your training with me. Everything is free until 7 days. After 7 days, you're gonna need to choose a plan, and Builderall will send you a message to choose one of the plans, and then you can continue and stay on my platform. As long as you have a Builderall account, you'll be able to get on my platform and learn everything I teach. Learn the Builderall builder, the site builder, right away. I'm going to teach you how to build a website right there on the 7-day free trial. You'll get an onboarding training from me, and then you can start building and learning all the tools. Now I'm putting a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. I'm putting a lot of videos on my Facebook also, so you can catch there down below. Everything will be there, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side. And remember, 7-day free trial is not, you don't need to put a credit card, and you're going to start right away on the platform, and everything's going to be there for you. So hopefully see you on the other side.